Opa, Opa, Opa. Okay, yo, welcome to 2021, first Sunday at church and we already blowing up. Celebration, what's up, my people? You know I see you. Light up the world and you already know how we do. By the way, Sunday service was the bum. Out bus with the bus, put the devil on the run. Pastor Aaron said that I can move mountains. Hear the words come out, I mean it busts my brain. Wait, there's plenty more. Opa, I mean there's plenty more. In times of trouble, don't focus on the adversity. Build on your strength and increase your capacity. 10 times wiser, 10 times stronger, 10 times better, we are 10 times more. Arise and shine your light as come glory. We're the light of the world. Opa. Opa. Y'all know, Opa. It's Gamie. Opa. Celebration church.